Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the place to be for planning, budgeting, traveling to live a marvelously beautiful life. I don't know how much traveling we'll be doing in the future or the near future, but we definitely will continue to plan and we will continue to budget. So it's been a little while since I've been in front of you, or in back of you, I guess, in back of the camera, with one of these types of videos, and that's because with the state of the world right now, I was doing most of my banking online and not really pulling out any cash. And then when I would pull out cash, it wasn't a large amount because I was getting it from the ATM machine. And I wasn't really stuffing any envelopes because I wasn't going out shopping. So, you get the idea. So I am actually on the floor in my new office because I don't have anything set up yet, but I wanted to bring this to you so you can see that Jaja's here on the floor trying to figure out what's going on. But if you follow me on Instagram, you can have like a small office tour because I did go through my office. It's not completely set up yet, but you can see like it's a work in progress. So that is at The Marvelous Beauty on Instagram. So it's at The Marvelous Beauty on Instagram, not at The Marvelous Beauty channel, at The Marvelous Beauty. And if you click on it, like I have the same picture as my YouTube picture, so you'll be able to see it. So this cash envelope stuffing video is a little bit different than what I normally do. So just to give you an idea of what happened. So today is Monday, and you will probably be watching this video on Tuesday, but today is Monday, and I had gone to the bank on Friday and pulled out all the cash that I was going to need for the envelopes. But then I was like running around through the day, and I went to the mall and all these other things with a friend of mine. And so what ended up happening was I started to swipe my card because I didn't want to get the money all messed up before I had a chance to stuff it in the envelopes, if that makes sense. So I have to take a portion of the money back to the bank. So what I had to do was, and I didn't do this on camera because it was going to be like way too long probably, I had to like reconcile everything and then situate it out. So I will take you through that and I'll show you what is actually in each envelope. Okay, so I have other Seeking Funds envelopes I did fund this week. I funded Jaja's envelope, and she got $40, which she already had. Sorry. She got 40, which she already had 40 inside her envelope. So she's all set, and she's due for a full groom right now. And I didn't put anything in these other envelopes, but in my classroom envelope, I had $20, and then families gave me Amazon cards for Teacher Appreciation Week, which was like some time ago. So that has $95 in it now, and we're slated to go back to school in the fall. So I will just keep adding a little bit to that each between now and late August, and we'll see what we have to do there. I haven't been funding my fair envelope because the fair has been canceled like a month and a half ago. So this one has $40 in it. I am going to put another $60 in it and go ahead and make my order. And I'm wondering if they're offering like free shipping or something, but so I'll do that because the company that I was looking forward to seeing at the fair, they are online as well, so I can still take care of that. Girls Night has 20, and this week I did take 30 out of the bank to put in Girls Night because it's summer and I usually go out with my friends. Well, now we can't really go out, but we could, like 1 or 2 people can come over to my house, or I can go over to someone's house, and I would like to bring something. But I went to visit my cousin, and I ended up spending the 30 before I could put it in there. So that was that. And birthday, no, this is actually summer. Summer has 20, and summer I did take out another 20 for, but I ended up using it for something. So now summer just still has 20. So those are the not regular sinking funds. I wanted to give you a little update on where we were with savings challenges also. So you can, it is like, oh, so you can't see it, sorry. All right, so in the 6 months, we have for my $5 challenge, $110. Again, that probably would be a lot higher but I haven't been out spending any cash. In the $1, I have $28, and then you can see what I have in those other ones. So classroom is actually $95 because of the gift cards, but in cash it's $20. In my 52-week challenge, I have actually $1,300 right now, and I'll tell you which week I'm on. I am on week 42, and that's because I usually put in like 3 jars per pay period, so whatever the amount is for 3 jars. Sometimes it's 2 jars, but I do that. Also, the reason why I'm so far ahead on that is because I started the challenge 9 weeks ahead. So the first 9 weeks totaled up to $45. So I put $45 in the account first, and then I started from there because I wanted to be done by November 1st because that kind of starts the holiday season when parties start and so on and so forth. So I wanted to have money already set aside for that if I had to pay for holiday parties, etc. So this is what I stuffed for this week, which was my car insurance, groceries, gas, MB is me, like my own personal fun money, household miscellaneous, laundry, and then the sinking funds, I already told you for that. And then I had to take out some other money. Oh, the waxing tip, that's what I spent the $20 that was going on summer for, because yes, the waxing was necessary. So just another little update. So actually I did move. I bought a house during this whole thing that's going on, and so the process started like in March, and I just recently moved on June 13th. That was my official move-in day, my first night spending in the house. So I have some videos that I already taped to kind of take you through that whole thing with me. It's very interesting, informative, and if you're looking to buy a house right now, you would definitely want to watch those videos. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, leave a comment, and just let me know that you're healthy and safe out there. Another reason why I haven't been kind of going into these budgeting videos and things like that is because I know it's a difficult time for a lot of people, and I don't want to like I don't know. I know it's not flaunting money. It's just showing like what I'm doing and how I'm budgeting and how I'm taking care of my money. But it can be very trying for people. So here's the 5s for the $5 challenge. So my clip did not get very thick, and I don't like that. But there's the $1, but that's okay. So I'll take you through this, what I stuffed in here. So I stuffed 40 in the laundry because I do have a brand new washer and dryer. However, because I have so much laundry from the move and everything else, I need to go to the laundromat. So I have to do it. I cannot do like load by load at this point. In my gas, I have, and I've been handling this money with gloves since I got it from the bank. So I have 90 in there. I already put 10 in. Gas is very low right now. So Now I'm filling up a little bit more because I'm out the house a little bit more, but literally I was going like a month on one tank of gas. In food, I have 50 because I had gone to the grocery store already and picked up a few things, so I didn't quite spend the whole 100, but I'll tell you about that. So I overspent on some other areas, so I had to put some money back in the bank. So 50 is what we're going to go with for the next 2 weeks. I can make it work, though. I could definitely make it work. In my own personal envelope, I have 20 bucks left. So I kind of spent all my money like right away. I had to get new sandals. I had no sandals left from previous summers. I had to get like a few things, and I did shop on Etsy at a few sticker shops. Well, you know. $20 is left in the household and miscellaneous. So that's what we have there. And then let's do, which one do we have first? Okay, so in my car insurance, I have 200, and that is going to my mom. So I guess, so she doesn't want my brother and I on her insurance anymore, so we won't be sharing services at this point. She just wants me to get it, to have mine add on to my house insurance, which is fine, whatever. But if you can share services with anyone to kind of lessen your bill amount in areas, please do. So what I mean is, like, if you can share a Netflix account with someone, if you're close with your neighbor and you can share Wi-Fi, if you can share AAA, if you can share car insurance, if you can share membership clubs like BJ, Sam's Club, Costco. And then going back to the bank, because yeah, your girl went a little bit crazy over on Friday. It was like my first time having all my money out, so it was, and being at a store in the whole 9 yards, so just went whatever. So going back to the bank, we have 100, 200, $300 has to go back in the bank, so I will go and deposit that this morning. I just like the way that looks like there, yeah. But so that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to come on and give you a quick, short update and let you know what's going on. I'm still here. I'm just kind of taking care of business on the back end. I have lots of videos filmed for you, but none edited. So we'll get a move on that. I have a lot of stuff coming for you. That is pertaining to the house. I am going to mix in a few DIYs on this channel. I'm going to mix in a few shop with me's and different things like that pertaining to the house, only because to me it falls in line with the budgeting aspect also and with the planning. So if you're interested in that, please definitely stick around. If you know someone else who's interested in DIYs or home shopping on a budget, or someone who likes to see shopping trips where I may be going into Home Goods or TJ Maxx or some of those other stores. I went in Burlington the other day and everything, there was absolutely nothing in the store. I mean, it looked like the store had been abandoned. There was nothing on the racks. So that's that. But please come back for that. Also, I do have some planning videos coming up. I have 2 new planners that I'm adding to the lineup. Actually, 1, 2, 3 new planners that I'm adding to my lineup, in addition to my other planners that I'll be continuing with. And yeah, so I've missed you guys. I'm glad that I can come back and make this just this kind of short long video. And I look forward to seeing you like within the next week or two. So remember to stay safe out there. If you can, as much as possible, stay home. I know things are opening up, but there's also been surges of the virus in certain areas. So please keep yourself safe and healthy. Keep your family safe and healthy. And remember, you are important.